We have spent years in school chasing marks, acing exams. Learning is a skill which has two steps. One is knowing, and the other is practicing. No one asked us why we are learning, what we are learning, but the world outside the school asks this question every single day. And that's where I Big Wonder steps in.
Real world doesn't test you with question papers and exams. It has its own way of brutal evaluation. It tests your confidence, decision making, leadership, mindset, and even courage to rise again. Training is not optional anymore. It is a survival kit for the future.
I have been a teacher, a parent, a school leader, a corporate trainer, an author, and an entrepreneur. And through every phase, one truth stood out. Skills plus mindset plus direction, that is equal to success. And that is why our workshops are not sessions. They are life upgrades.
As you know, I have been to the battlefield during Kargil war. One thing army teaches you is to be always prepared. War never gives you warning. Neither does the future. Whether you are 15, 20, 25, 45 or even 60. If you are not trained, you are not ready. You can't wait for the world to prepare you. You prepare yourself before the world tests you. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a parent or a leader. Training builds clarity, sharpness and grit. And it is a continuous process.
At I Big Wonder, everything is an experience based and impact focused. We don't do theory. We think about transformation. For parents who want clarity in raising future ready kids, for teachers and school leaders who want to teach beyond the textbook, for students who need confidence, communication, and direction, for schools that want growth, strategy, and innovation, and for kids aged 3 to 15 to build life skills like financial literacy, social emotional learning, leadership, and much more.
And for the youth and professionals, my sessions build leadership from the very inside. We work on mindset, discipline, decision making, and resilience. Failure is not your full stop, it's your training ground. From schools to professional courses, from campus to corporate, at the various levels of corporate and businesses, we train you to succeed again and again.
My journey has taken me from a classroom to leading academic strategy, traveling across Asia and Middle East. I've been helping establishing schools and designing curriculum, training educators, auditing academics, and mentoring leaders. I saw the gaps and I built the bridge.
I have seen teams win wars not because they were the strongest, but because they were trained to think, lead, adapt, and bounce back. Every leader is also a teammate. Every student is also a future problem solver and even a leader. Every parent is also a life designer.
We built My Peso and Skill Me book series because life skills should not start at 25. They should start at 5. And our workshops make that possible, one session at a time.
The future doesn't wait for anyone. You can let life happen to you or you can train for it. The choice decides everything.
So whether you are a school, parent, a teacher, a professional or a student, this is the moment to get life ready.
And we are not here to motivate you for a day.
We are here to prepare you for life.
Join the workshop you have been waiting for.
Let's build the skills,
the mindset and the direction
to create success again and again.